Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Discord app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on you down here, just click on it. When you just click on you, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just scrolling down here. So you scrolling down here until you will find appearance. You just click on it. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here activity cards here. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean activity cards enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.